Hello friends, my name is Dr. Mavish. I am a physiotherapist by profession. In today's video, I am going to tell you about the physiotherapy. See, basically most of all are not aware of the physiotherapy treatment. It basically means that we have to treat the patient with the therapy. We give the therapy without any medicines. We treat the patient through the machines, through exercises, and we tell the patient about the proper posture and the position, what to avoid, what all precautions to take, friends. So in the physical therapy, basically we treat the orthopedic problems, musculoskeletal problems, and neurological problems also, friends. So physical therapy is very important for the people who have got the rehabilitation after the surgery, and those people who have got severe or the chronic problems, and how much the painkiller will we take, right? So we all know that, and you all basically know that the painkillers are very side effective regarding the liver and the kidney. So if the patient takes physical therapy, in this we give the machines to the patient, we apply the machine on the painful region, and through this procedure, friends, we reduce the pain of the patient without any side effects. And basically we all know that most of the problems are due to the muscle weakness. So we tell the patient to do some exercises. We teach the patient to do exercises in the clinic or at home, and then when the patient learns the exercises, they can do them themselves. So basically physiotherapy is very important for the patients, especially the housewives also, who are doing activities of daily living. They need the proper strength in their muscle, they need their pain to be reduced, and without taking the painkillers. So if you all also want your treatment, your bone or muscle related problem to be treated without any side effect, you should go for physiotherapy, friends. I hope you like my video. So keep watching and keep subscribing and liking my video and my channel for further updates. Thank you.